Hey, Lyle, you ready to open another present from Grandma?
No.
Right there, in front of you.
Look. Open it.
And Lala gets one too. Sit down,
You
Delilah.
better
Rip
open
it open. Rip it open.
Open it, baby. What is it?
Open it,
Come
open
on,
it.
Lyle, what do you got? What is it, buddy? Holy cow.
What did Grandma send? Give it to me, I'll throw it away.
What
What
is
is that?
it?
Wow.
A robot.
A robot. Is he a flashlight robot? What you got, Delilah?
Watch.
Wow. Is that a robot?
The robot. Look, Lyle, ready?
Is that a robot, Delilah?
Flashing.
Yeah, it's a robot. Look, he's a flashlight
we
robot. Look. Wow.
When Daddy see it, I'll open it.
You like it? Oh, you gotta get all the paper off. Here, let me help you. There you go. There you go. Wow. Look, Lala. Look. I know.